Welcome to BigONE Weekly News Update. I'm Sophia. The final week of August 2025 closed with a mild correction across the cryptocurrency market, reflecting seasonal trends and shifting investor sentiment. Crypto market overview. Bitcoin, BTC, slid 4% to finish at $108,250, while Ethereum, ETH, declined 6.7% to $4,390, and Solana, SOL, dipped 1.7% to $200. The total market capitalization of cryptocurrencies dropped 3.8% week-on-week to $3.79 trillion. The weekly trading volume of $181 billion edged 2% above average. Bitcoin's trading volume reached $68.2 billion, 5% above average, while Ethereum's came in at $45.8 billion, 4% below average. The late August downturn triggered widespread liquidation of long positions, even as ETH's earlier rally allowed most altcoins to outperform BTC over the month. Equity and AMP. Macro trends. U.S. equity markets saw late August profit, taking in tech stocks, though monthly gains held. The S&P wink with tongue sticking out 500 rose 0.1%, the Nasdaq 0.2%, the Dow Jones Industrial Average 0.19%, and the Russell 2000 0.36%. The Nasdaq has now posted 5 consecutive months of gains. Bond markets reflected shifting expectations of Federal Reserve policy. The 2-year U.S. Treasury yield fell more than 30 basis points to a 4-month low, while the U.S. dollar index briefly hit an intraday high post-PCE data release before softening to a 3-week low. Meanwhile, gold prices extended their rally for a 5th straight month, breaking to historic highs. Liquidity watch. With September underway, historically the most volatile month for risk markets, liquidity conditions are in sharp focus. U.S. domestic liquidity is tightening. The Treasury General Account rose to $590 billion, draining cash, while the Federal Reserve continues gradual balance sheet reductions. If the account climbs to $850 billion by month end, liquidity could fall to multi-year lows. Globally, however, conditions remain looser, supported by rebounding credit demand in China. Ethereum takes the lead. August saw a notable capital rotation. Bitcoin whales shifted holdings into Ethereum, boosting the ETH/BTC ratio. U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs recorded $771 million in net outflows, 7,000 BTC, while spot Ethereum ETFs saw $3.8 billion in inflows, 800,000 ETH, the second highest monthly inflow since launch. Combined with corporate treasury buying from DT, BMNR, and SBT, ETH surged 19% in August, contrasting with BTC's 6.3% decline. Looking ahead. This week, U.S. markets will be quiet on Monday due to the holiday. Key macro events to watch include the non-farm payrolls report and the Federal Reserve's Beige Book. With volatility historically peaking in September, investors should brace for sharper market swings in the weeks ahead. Join BigONE today and take advantage of the growing cryptocurrency market.